Hey everybody, this is a quick informational video. I got the 4-button remote here. This is for a GMC Chevy, and I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. So if the battery went out. Now usually you can use either a flathead screwdriver right here, or you can use a penny. Just kind of like push the penny in and then twist it this left and right. This way you'll release it. Cover. Now this part right here, removing the battery, is kind of tricky. So what I like to do is just use something like a needle or something real thin. What you kind of want to do is kind of like pull the battery down a little bit here, and then I usually put it right here to pry it out. It's kind of tricky here actually. So now that it's out, you want to be careful so you don't damage any of the circuits here. And then this takes a CR2032 battery to put everything back in, just this way, and then kind of like it'll snap into place. And same with this, just from this side snaps in. So hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my other helpful videos.